Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time with me here at my media channel. Today we are going to be unboxing a movie that you probably have not heard of but was quite controversial in the day, Confessions of a Nazi Spy with Edward G. Robinson. Now, Edward G. Robinson was known mainly as someone who played in gangster films, and he was normally the antagonist. This is an interesting one. As you can see, it's from Warner Archive Collection, so Warner Brothers gave it to their archive collection. This isn't like a mainstream release. But this is a unique film in the sense that this was a movie that was made before World War II, which means Warner Brothers was effectively the first major Hollywood studio to speak out against Nazis and Adolf Hitler. And this was very controversial at the time because America did not want to get involved in the war. We didn't even know if there was going to be a war, and Hitler was rising to power at such a huge, rapid pace that there was this real fear, like, well, we might not be able to stop this man if he decides to go crazy. And sure enough, the world almost fell to him. So this is a very important film, and it's not going to be on any streaming service that I can tell. You have to get it on Warner Archive. And so, interestingly, on the side, the confessions of part is small, and then it just says Nazi spy. In fact, they're really highlighting the Nazi spy even on the cover. On the back, you have a little bit of a description of what the movie was about, and also, rarely, a little bit of history of the movie itself on the back. This is a really cool description, and if you have time to pause it and read it, I recommend you do. There's some black and white images. The special feature is a vintage Warner Brothers short, Meet the Fleet, which I believe was a pro-war propaganda short film. And let's take a look at what this disc looks like. Being a Warner Archive Collection disc, I am honestly not expecting a whole lot. I think we're going to get like a blue disc with the title on it, and that will probably be all that she wrote. Oh, how nice. They actually have an image. I don't know if that's common. I'm still getting used to the Warner Archive Collection, but that's pretty nice. There's actually an image on there. No back artwork though, pretty plain otherwise. But yeah, here's the thing. If you really want to own a piece of film history and own, which was basically the first shot taken at Hitler and the Nazis, this is one that you might want to pick up and consider getting. And plus, it's a pretty good movie in its own right. So anyway, I would like to know, have you heard of this film? Have you seen it? Are you going to get it? I'd love to know. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.